Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to filter SharePoint list items using date columns in Power Automate. We'll cover which OData operators work with dates, how to filter by specific dates and ranges, and the common mistake that can cause filter to fail. So let's jump straight back to the get items action. So here we have this flow. I have created this flow manually. Means we have manual trigger, then I have get items. I have added site address, I have added list name, and then we have the compose, whatever output that we are getting. I have added in the input of this compose, and we will get the output of this and we'll see it in the JSON viewer. I'll show you that, but before that, I'll show you list as well. We have this list. I have already covered text type of column, person type of column, choice type of column, and the number type of column. Right now we will be working on request date, which is a date type of column. Time is not added in this. And also when you query with Power Automate get items, always query with UTC format date. So even though we have it like this, uh, the DD YYY format. For locally, you might be having differently. I am from India, so I am having it differently. But when you query it, you have to query it with UTC format. So I'll show you that. Here, what we have the advanced option, and I will just remove this. So the first that we have is equals to. So we'll query using equals to. I will get the column name and I will add it here equals to quotes. It is 2025. Again, I will query it with this date only. It was so it will be 09 and it will be 10, right? I will save it. It was like this only, right? And I will test it out. If I go here, I have got data. Let's see how many rows we are getting. And here I've got only one row, which is amount having 3535 and the title is asset request 1. So this is the one which we have got because we have queried using this date and it worked completely fine. The next that we have is not equals, and what will happen when we query using not equal is we'll get all the data, expect this one. So it is saved. I will test it out. Run the flow. We'll get this. I'll copy it. I will again paste it here. The JSON viewer stack.hu. So we have got 9 set of data, which starts from 0 ends with 8 because indexing starts with 0. The first data that we have got here is the asset request 2, which is this one, and the last will be laptop request. So here we have got laptop request and it worked completely fine. Now, the next query that we have is greater than. So we'll do it like this, greater than. I'll save it. I will test it. Copy it, and here you will see we have got 6 set of data and which is greater than this it will be this one, right? The first one, right? From October. Then we will have this, which is from November, right? Where it is. Second one, yeah, this one from November. Then we will have again from November, this 11th of November only, right? Work completely fine. Now we have less than as well. So whatever is less than this 10th of September, we will get that. Test it out. Now we have this. Let's see how many datas we are getting. Copy it. I'll paste it here. If I go here, I've got three set of data, which is less than 9999. I've got this, and this, I guess. So if you will see, 11th of June, 9th of April, and again 11th of June, right? This also work completely fine. But now what if we want this as well, along with greater than or less than? So for that, what we have to do, for greater than, we have to do greater than equals. I will save it. I will test it out. Run the flow. And if I copy this and if I paste it here, I will be getting what, the first one, right? This I've got. Then we have got this as well. So seven set of data we have got. Earlier we were getting six set of data. Now we are getting seven set of data, right? It worked completely fine. We have got last, we have got September 11, which is here, and after that everything is lesser than this date, right? So this also work completely fine. Same way we have to do it for less than equals. So earlier we were getting three set of data, now we'll get four set of data. Copy this, I will paste it here, and if I go, I've got four set of data, starts with again 10th of 10th of September and ends with what, 11th of June, which is here. So work completely fine. And also if you will see, the title is laptop request, which is this. So it worked completely fine, right? We are done with date column as well. We have filtered out the rows using date column in get items action. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you and bye.